Right, we are back again with the Orbasto boards, and I'm just going to cut the chase. It's not good news. So Graham soldered up 4 different variants of the board. Like, one's got bigger capacitors and bigger resistors, one's got bigger capacitors and some diodes added, one's got bigger capacitors and diodes and resistors, and one's just got bigger capacitors, and they all don't work. Well, that's a bit of an oversimplification. So I can't remember which one does what, but one of them just turns everything on, like fuel pump, and by on I just mean a single, like on, not pulsing, just on. Fan full power, glow plug full power, fuel pump on, everything on, draws 10 amps. One of them draws current and makes one of the capacitors really hot, but nothing appears else to happen. I can't remember what the other one does now. I've already forgotten. And one of them sort of kind of tries to run, but it doesn't control the fan speed. It just turns the fan on at full power. And it doesn't make any sense because it just goes full fan, full glow plug, and then ticks the fuel pump into running. And obviously it can't light because the fan's running far too fast, but it just goes for it. I do have the original Orbasto board that Harold made, but it's missing some components on the back, and I haven't got any more components to solder into place. But in theory, that should work again because Graham repaired it. Now, here's my problem that I can't diagnose because I can't tell what it thinks. I mean, have I programmed the chip badly? I don't think so, because I've gone back to the original chip, the second original chip that I'd been using to test that board with. I had, and I kept it out here because I knew it worked. And I've tried it, and it kind of does the same thing. I might try it again in a different board and see what happens, just in case I've managed to program the chip badly. But it's the same programming method and the same chips that I used in the other test board that kind of worked, that I've sent away to Robinson Labs. So where does that leave us now? Well, it kind of leaves us at a stage that either if someone can draw this and design it with SMD components where they can be SMD'd, and then if it's just a matter of soldering on like the op amp, not op amp, that one, is it an op amp? The 4-pin, 8-pin chip there, and soldering on these bits and that bit and the Bluetooth header, we could probably just about manage to do that. And then obviously the wires for control, and then that would kind of remove the possible human error of soldering at any point if we can get an SMD version. And I'm looking at you, Robinson Labs. If you could make boards that work for us, that would be even better, because I imagine people would be quite happy to pay for them at this stage and not have... There's a spider. Go away, spider. Not have to build and test, and we just want a working board. It's hard, it's hot, and I don't really know what I'm doing, and I'm kind of looking to you guys for as much help as humanly possible. So yeah, I'm gonna fuck about with chip swapping and see if I can get any of these to run, but it's not looking good so far. So a plea to anyone out there who'd like to design this with SMD components, and we'll just get some made. And also a plea to Robinson Labs for please help, please help. Thanks for watching.